So the other thing that's really, really critical to understand about LinkedIn is that there's a tool called LinkedIn Recruiter, and that allows a hiring manager, if they buy it from LinkedIn, to see 3 levels of connection away from them. So one of the reasons that Shashini keeps popping up in everybody's searches is because now she's got so many connections. I've got 5,000 connections on LinkedIn, right? And so if all of my connections have got 500 connections, suddenly Shashini is visible to 2.5 million people. And I reckon that's probably every senior manager in Australia, right? So if you've got 34 connections and they're all from your home country, you never appear in searches. So you've got to make these 500 connections as fast as you can. And again, as we were talking about, show, don't tell, right? You need to show that you understand business in Australia.